Hey, it's Amit Singh from Dreamer Technology. Let's see the task management in CRM. First, we will see individual task assignment with email notification. Let's go to the user called Sanjay. Now, we will create one task and assign to the user called Amit. So, let's create one task. Now, you can see the status not started, in progress, pending input, deferred, completed. I just select not started. I just select the date, current time. I'll just select 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. And this is the task type. It's called demo, remote, on-site. It's customizable. I just select in-house. You can put the actual time. It is 1 hour. You can select the priority high, medium, low. Now you can put the description. I put in the description. Now I can select the user. I'll just select Amit. I selected the Amit. So once I save this, now the task has been created successfully. You can see with all the details. Now if I go to the user Amit, first we will see the email notification, how we get in CRM. So you can see the email has been received to the concerned person with all the information. This email template is customizable. What are the things we require here? We can easily put here. Further, we can also click on detail and we can go to this particular task. We will also see in the mobile how it looks like. I just refresh this my mobile. You can see this is Amit user. You can see if I click on notification bar, you can able to see this task has been assigned with all the information. If I go to the dashboard, you can see this is today dashboard. So task, call, meeting, everything. If I click on task, if I go to not started, if I click on this, I can able to see my task here on the mobile. In mobile, I can able to see the entire team dashboard as well. If I click on all dashboard, if I go for overall, if I click on task, you can see all the users. I can click and able to see their task. If I click on Sanjay and if I click on in progress, I can see all the tasks. Now we will see the team task notification in CRM. So how we can notify a team in CRM. So let's go again to the user called Sanjay. Let's create another task, meeting at Mumbai office. Same way I can put the description in detail. I can select the date and everything here. Like I select the 10, I select the 10 on 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Actual time is 1 hour. Task time is in house. Now you can see here the team. There are different team. So let's see how the team we can create in CRM. So you can see the different team. And now let's see, for example, WAPI team task assignment. If we see this, you can see there are two users under this WAPI team. So I can select more than that from here. If I want to select any of them, I can select. Now it is two user. Name is Amit and Sanjay. So once I select this WAPI team, if I save this, it will notify me on here on this notification bar. There is no current notification here. If I save this, let's see. You can see now there is one notification. You can see this detail of this notification. Parallel, if I go to the user Amit, you can able to see the same notification on Amit notification. This is how we can notify team. Even we can do a certain customization on this level as well. Further, whatever the task we assign, we are able to configure in our daily task activity. So it is easy to configurable. I have configured for next 7 days so that I am able to see my the next task, my open task on particular this date and time. I'm also able to see the drill down report with user wise. I can click any of them and go to the detail of this task.